Big thank you to TacPack, the sponsor of today's video. I have been at church camp, and normally I'm really quick at being able to get out these TacPack unboxings, and I'm late. Most of you probably have already got it, but let's go over what's in the box, and thank you to TacPack for sending it out. I have been working with them for almost 6 months now. I'm really enjoying the product. I hope you guys are enjoying the unboxings. At any time, if you want to try a TacPack, use code EagleRun23 and you can try a box. It even comes with a free bonus offer. Thank you, TacPack. For those of you that are new here, this is typically what I do on the channel. Is I do really cool AR-15 builds, AR-10 builds. We're really big into the 8.6 blackout, all sorts of things like that. So I would love for you to subscribe and find out more about Project Cold War. Really cool build, and if you can tell by the way I'm holding this gun is unbelievably light. So make sure you're subscribed. I'll tell you all about this gun in another video. Okay, let's just go down the list here and I'll pull them out. We'll talk about them one by one. First thing on the list is a Camtrax hatchet. Oh, that would be this right here. Camtilus, I believe. I don't know how to say the name of this, but I do have a couple of their knives. They're pretty good. This one is a hatchet that also has a folding saw in it. Fantastic for a bug out bag or even just to use around your garden, and comes with a sheath on the back. That's pretty great. The ultimate boonie hat is up next. This is a TacPack brand boonie hat, kind of cool. You can buckle up the sides there. Got a little drawstring to keep it from blowing off. My 9-year-old son has already claimed this. I had to take it from him to make this video. All right, next up is a Raven concealment mag carrier. This is a quick clip-on. Looks like it'll fit your rig belt and holds an AR-15 mag. I don't have one like this. This one looks like it's really well made. Raven concealment. This is the Lichter M4 smallest footprint mag carrier. So that's kind of great. I can imagine you would just maybe like in your truck bag or something, you would just have a mag already in here so that it's connected, and then you could put this on your belt. Cool. They've always got a really cool sticker. This is like a bookworm operator. I don't know what they call it, but it's a cool sticker. Love all the TacPack stickers. In fact, I have another one sitting right here that I haven't put away. That was from a couple of months ago. Pretty cool. I love the stickers each month. We have a Thrill Pistol Group Rugged Tactical Grip, RTG, Rugged Tactical Grip. Now, the last time that TacPack had a grip in theirs, I think that was like December or January, or maybe November, I don't know, right before Christmas maybe. They had the Die-Free Company Kung Fu grip. Absolutely fell in love with that grip. You saw it right there behind me on Project Cold War. That was the grip. We had it custom Cerakoted. So let's see if we can find a new grip here. This is the Thrill, and it has fantastic texture on it. I would say this is more of a classic design, but it does look like it has a pretty good angle to it. We can throw it on a lower and kind of see what it looks like. I would say from a distance it looks like more of a classically styled grip, but the texture on it is really good. It has the beaver tail that goes up in the back. Not all of them do that. Pretty good angle. I do like the more vertical angle. So I don't know. We will find a project for this. I do like it, and I think it feels good. Very grippy all the way around. All right, before we get to the plus item, which is looking really cool, this month actually came with a freebie. Really cool graphics on this TacPack freebie. Let's open this up and see what all is in here. I think sometimes they throw those freebies in just to really bump up the value and make sure that you are getting what you paid for and you feel good about it, which I think is kind of cool. So this is oh, we got something like this a couple of months ago. This is an inline, can you see it there? This is an inline mag carrier that goes along your belt. That's actually kind of cool. I like that. No printing, easy to use. Okay, I like that. 2 things in the freebie box. American Buffalo. Oh, this is a different style. I've enjoyed American Buffalo. That's not a company that I had heard of until TacPack, but look at this. We've got ourselves a little folder. What does it say? So all I have is a part number, so I don't know what this is called. I'm assuming we've got the regular G2 scales, very nice action. Oh, yeah, nice action. American Buffalo knife and tool. So ABKT. Oh, it's pretty sharp right out of the box. I like that like stone washed black on there. Kind of a cool knife. I like that. Most of the American Buffalo knives that I saw on their website were just around $100, maybe some of them as low as 80 and some of them up to like 150. So it looks like they're using pretty quality steel. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that information here to tell you what kind of steel it is, but I do like the American Buffalo knife now. All right, now we'll get to the plus item. My FAK, this is from My Medic, which they make really quality stuff. And you can just tell by looking at this bag. This is I mean, these are probably a $30, $40, $50 bag. It's got the MOLLE on the back with the proper strappage. We've got nice heat shrinked paracord on there. These zippers I know are gonna be really nice. Quality buckle. You can just tell this bag is pretty quality. Got a section here to put a patch on it, and it looks like it comes, oh, that's a pin that's clipped in. So they've got a first aid moniker on there. Oh, that is really cool. So they show the scissors and everything in there. So they show the value on this to be $169. First aid kits are expensive, I believe it. Seems like the last couple of months they've included quite a few items from My Medic. Really cool stuff, because I've enjoyed just being able to pump up my first aid kits by throwing, hey, here's a sting, here's a bug, here's a, you know, all the little kits that they've been giving me. Throw those in a first aid kit and it really bumps up your first aid kit, because so I actually use my first aid kit. It's not set and brand new. It's in my truck with me. It's here in the shop. I take it whenever we go somewhere. So I actually use stuff out of there, mostly Band-Aids and gauze pads, but we do use it. And so for this, if you don't have one, this is a great spot to start, and they're expensive, and this is a quality item. So we're into the month of June pretty good here, and the July TacPack you can still sign up for. They always put some hints down here on the bottom, which is kind of fun. The standard box is gonna have some gun stuff, some sharp stuff, some maintenance stuff. All right, that's some hints for July. The plus box is gonna have a double trouble EDC gear. I don't know what that means. These are hints and clues, so two amazing American brands, okay? I do like TacPack tries to have an emphasis on USA made stuff, which is cool. And then, oh, I forgot, there is a Patriot pack. They just did the Glock box, which I still have some stuff here on my workbench for the Glock box, because that stuff's getting put in right away. We got Trigger over there. I got the Kraken that's gonna go, actually the Kraken's gonna go on Cold War. So the Patriot pack is a standalone summer box. They seem to do like a spring, a fall, a Christmas, and a summer. The summer one is called the Patriot box. Use code EagleRun23. That will help you out with some pricing and a freebie and things like that. They have 3 levels, a bronze, a silver, and a gold. The gold is valued at over $1,000. Wow. Doesn't say the price on the other one, but it does say that there will be a Cloud Rain 3.0 full-size weapon light. Those are like $400. That's gonna be in there. That's cool. Check out the Patriot pack. Go to TacPack Plus and poke around and see what you think. Every time I make a TacPack video, there's a lot of people that are like, oh, it's not worth it. I could have bought that stuff on my own for cheaper. Yeah, I guess in some cases that's true if you knew exactly what you wanted. But for me, the value of TacPack is, one, exposure to some new brands and some new products that I hadn't considered. A couple of times when I've gone through TacPack, I have said, I would buy this for myself, or I would not have bought this for myself. There's a couple of things in each box that are maybe in that category. I've enjoyed a TacPack. If you don't want it every single month, that's fine. Pick out a couple of months, maybe pick your birthday month out, maybe pick, you know, another one a couple months down the road. It always seems like there's something really cool in there. And usually if you get the plus pack, usually whatever the plus item is worth the entire price of admission. And so the other stuff is just free. All right, I'm building this custom Cerakoted lower out tonight. There'll be a video on that coming up in about 5 or 6 days. We're gonna build it and shoot it. I'll show it all to you. Thanks for watching.